So this is the project which we are making, and this smiley face which you are seeing right now in this corner. This will be connected in the chest of the humanoid robot where people can visualize whatever he is seeing right now. Example, ChatGPT or any other AI, they will be having animations when they talk. So the same animations is implemented here also. So let me show you the demonstration here right now with a basic code. Okay, so here is the there is some presidency related programs, and here it will be running. Okay, so let's start. So let me start the AI here. Once I start the AI, his name is Candy. Okay, Candy, can you say me where is admission office?
Assuming you're currently in the P block basement floor. PB. You'll need to take the stairs to the first floor. Once there, head left towards blocks F and A. You'll find a stationery shop near your destination. Pen_Spark.
Thank you, Candy. Candy, can you say about Presidency University?
Presidency University Bengaluru is a prestigious university in India. For more information, I recommend visiting their website.
Thank you, Candy. So this was a small demonstration how the code works. So yeah, this will be connecting to the chest part of the robot.